What's up, everyone? This is Uniden Bearcat here, along with...
Hey, Craig. Okay, honestly,
SPChuntsville2712 or the devious kid here.
Yeah, today is a special unboxing video. It's the Uniden Bearcat BC365CRS scanner. This is my first Uniden scanner, and my first Bearcat in general. Alright, so let's get ready. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit that out. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to set the camera down for this. This is gonna require 2 hands. Nice.
Fourth stimulus confirmed. 1. First stimulus confirmed. 2. Verified. Get my payment. Few updates.
Okay.
Oh my, that's you like.
Oh my gosh. Check that out. BC365CRS in the hands.
Isn't that the thing that Claire Andrew reviewed not too long ago?
Yeah, that's the BC345CRS.
No. That's what it's actually called. The nickname is the Moo.
That's not that one. That's an older one.
Oh, that was that one at first. And then at like, I don't know, 9 p.m. CST, I have to go play CDT. I have to go play So Among Us with Louisville. It's my own. What's going on up here? Gale warning from Lake Michigan. Don't give a crap about you. Just kidding.
Alright, and to wish the radio good luck to service, I'm pressing every button. And switch.
Turning every single knob. First flight risk. It's not that bad. Damn. 8.
Alright, now it's powered up.
I just realized today is my first. Okay, what's this latest hazardous figure out? No, not you. I don't need your AFD. So I don't need the AFD. Okay. This is the hazardous figure outlook for North Alabama and Southern Middle Tennessee. Doing no hazardous figure outlook is expected as time.
Alright.
2 through 7. 3 through Friday. No storms.
Let's go ahead and power it up.
Ooh, let me see that. 8. Oh, that looking fresh.
Yeah, this was actually used.
Oh. Well, I mean, I could tell the box has been used and that's been used, but they sure did wrap it up great.
Yeah, this was from OfferUp. Hold on, I'm gonna get the antenna out.
For most people who are new to the ES community, the Uniden radios are scanners except for the WX100 and I think the WX500.
Oh yeah, the WX500 that will refuse to activate for anything, except for Katie's somehow. And Luna's RetroTech, both of those two have gotten WX500s that would activate.
Oh my god.
Alright, and I'm gonna set the clock now.
8.
Yeah, just to please Nicholas.
Imagine transmitting over no weather radio stations.
That is not legal.
Unless, well, it's legal. Well, it's not legal anywhere. But maybe if you do it somewhere safe where no one can
Yeah,
hear
like a
it.
blank transmitter.
Yeah. Like maybe a car. I'm guessing that's a police station?
Yeah, that is.
Or is that no? Alright, so what's your local station?
Yeah, usually I go by my local area.
So yeah, you might want to type in your frequency
Yeah.
of no weather radio.
Yeah, I'm currently on the weather mode right now.
It might be 162.525.
Yeah, my local station is 162.400.
Oh, mine's 4002.
25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per
And
hour.
raise the antenna.
For Sunday, partly cloudy.
Which does actually look like a 519 antenna because you can take it off and on.
Yeah.
25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles.
But the only issue is that it's not telescoping.
Do you have a 519?
I do not have a 519. Well, at least it doesn't have antenna arthritis. Yeah, Nicholas has a similar scanner.
Yeah, one of the sellers that I got for my Sangean, antenna's bent, and the antenna goes freely wherever it wants to go because it's so loose.
So it's got antenna arthritis.
Yes.
Oh.
And then my first RW 120 as my first 120 has a broken antenna.
What's been going on with those? It's been like previous owner most likely.
No, I got my first one from in 2012. And then I took it out for the first time in my new house, which was like 2 years ago. 2 years to like a year ago. I was being careful with the antenna until my sister broke it and it got caught somewhere and like a whole entire antenna snapped except for the lower bit, the first part of the antenna where it hooks on. But it still gets good reception because I'm like living like 3 to 5 minutes away from my transmitter, which isn't bad. Wait, how many miles is in 3 to 5 minutes?
Yeah, that's a good question there, because that's gotta be like at least 13, 15 miles, I think.
$10 to 15 miles?
Maybe.
Alright, so...
The record high degree, which was set in
yeah, I'm not transmitting anytime soon. I'm not going to. Do you think I'm going to do that? You need some Jesus.
Alright, yeah, I'll probably, off camera, I'll probably set up the rest of these frequencies. I'm not going to put the FM on because of copyrights.
That is true.
Alright. So that is
Wait,
I'm sorry?
Do you have one more radio or any?
I have 4.
What are they?
They're the WR400, 12262, 12991, and HH54VP version 15.
I don't think the 12991 is rare.
Yeah, and mine has the red logo on it.
Oh, then it's like a 50-50. You get white or red. So.
Yeah, the one I got is the red. Anyways, I'm gonna set up the rest of these frequencies off camera. Anyways, this concludes the unboxing video of the Uniden Bearcat, and I just realized that this is a BC340CRS. Good one there. Anyways, this will conclude the video. This is John Deere Fan 725 signing off, along with
SPChuntsville2712.
go subscribe to him too, and click his notification bell and subscribe to my channel too. Thank you for watching.